Have you ever heard a teenager say, I slept 8 hours last night, but I still feel tired? You are not alone. This is becoming super common. And it's not because teenagers are lazy. So today, let's break down why teens feel exhausted even when they seem to get enough sleep. Sleep quantity versus sleep quality. The first reason. First of all, let's make something clear. The number of hours you sleep is just one part of the story. What really matters is the quality of that sleep. You could sleep for 8 hours, but if it's light, interrupted, or not deep enough, you will wake up feeling just as tired as when you went to bed. Second reason, blue light and screen time. Now, let's talk about screens. Teens often scroll through social media, watch videos, or text late into the night. What they don't realize is that these screens give off blue light, which tricks the brain into thinking it's still daytime. This delays the release of melatonin, the hormone that helps you fall asleep. So even if they sleep at midnight, their brains might still be in day mode for another hour or more. Third reason, mental stress and overthinking. Another big reason is stress and overthinking. School pressures, exam, social anxiety, friendship, drama, family issues, it all builds up in the teenage brain. Even when their body is lying in bed, their mind is still running. That means no true rest, no real deep sleep. Fourth reason, messed up sleep schedule, social jet lag. Teenagers often go to bed late and wake up late on weekends, then suddenly switch back to early mornings on weekdays. This inconsistency messes up the body's natural clock, called the circadian rhythm. It's almost like giving yourself jet lag every single week. That's why Monday mornings feels like torture. Fifth reason, poor diet and stimulants at night. Let's not forget about what teens eat and drink. Late night junk food, sugary snacks, or caffeine like tea, soda, or energy drinks can all mess with sleep. Caffeine can stay in the body for 6 to 8 hours, and it blocks the chemicals that help you feel sleepy. So even if they fall asleep, their sleep stays light and broken. Sixth reason, lack of deep and REM sleep, means rapid eye movement. There are stages of sleep, and REM sleep is one of the most important. This is when your brain does most of its healing, memory processing, and emotional recovery. If teens are not getting enough REM or deep sleep, they will still feel tired no matter how long they sleep. This is why even 8 hours sometimes feels like nothing. Seventh reason. So, what can help? Now, here is the good news. There are some simple habits that can really improve sleep quality. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Avoid screens at least 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Create a calm bedtime routine. Maybe a book, journaling, or meditation. Cut back on caffeine and junk food in the evening. Make your room cool, dark, and quiet for better sleep. These small steps can actually make a big difference. Now, motivation and call to action. So, if you are a teenager who always feels tired, it's not because you are lazy or weak. It's because your body and brain are not getting the right kind of rest. And that's okay. It's something you can work on, one habit at a time. So, thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself.